Hello, sixth grade. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any confusion with what you're doing this week. So on Tuesday of this week, you're going to actually enter Mosa Mack and you're going to do the energy transfer unit. Now you've already done potential and kinetic energy. Now today you're going to do the energy transfer unit. So you're going to want to scroll through until you find it, energy transfer. On mine, it's at the bottom. And then you're just going to go through, watch the video, do the vocabulary, episode questions, and quiz, just like normal, okay? Now on Friday, when you guys come back to Mosamac, not Friday, just kidding, Thursday, when you come back to Mosamac, you are going to be taking your energy unit test. And that part of that is answering the flip grid and showing me that energy can be transferred from one form to another. The other portion is taking the test that you're going to find on your potential and kinetic energy unit. So you're going to come back into this unit and then you're going to click this button that says Start Test. Once you've clicked that button, you may begin. You are welcome to use your notes on this test. Good luck to you all. I know you can succeed. You showed so much great work and diligence last week, and I look forward to seeing your success.